Kenco, maybe Brian, start with you. Can you just give us a snapshot of who the company is for anybody who doesn't know?
Sure. So we're a true family-owned business, started in the Bay Area of California in 1957. We've been based in Northern California the entire history of the company. Just moved cities here and there, but we represent one of those very few family-owned manufacturers of heavy parts in California. Not too many of us left. Our focus is to produce and design long life wear products to enhance the longevity of a component. Our goal is to make a better quality part that's going to last longer than the original. So we're the value proposition. I love the way Randy likes to say we're the cheapest part you're going to put on a piece of equipment.
Yeah.
Because we're going to last so long that it's more than going to pay for itself.
Randy, is that just quickly like that, and we're going to get into it as we get into the interview, but is that still a discussion, just people understanding the need for certain types of wear parts, one material to the other? Is that an ongoing discussion that sort of never stops? Or at this point, do people, as soon as you tell them, oh, it's made of this material, people kind of go, yeah, I got it?
No, they don't get it. They don't really understand. I mean, they're construction guys. You know, I spent 35 years running asphalt plants, gravel mines, and crushing operations. And you know, the guys that do that, they're not metallurgists. They're construction guys. All they need to know is how many tons am I going to get, if they're even tracking tons. A lot of times they're just looking for the cheapest price, and we're constantly working to educate and pass on information that we've stockpiled of what this product will actually do for you.
You know, Randy, I wanted to ask you, because I was looking at both your LinkedIns yesterday, and I saw that you'd worked on the plant construction side. That must just be so. When you say an asphalt specialist in your title now with Kenco, you really have that experience in the industry. You said 25 years in it?
No, I used about 35
years. Sorry.
I used Kenco products in the asphalt plant operation, in the gravel mines, and on the construction equipment for about 25 years. So I have a long history of proving the product. In fact, our comptroller that I worked for many years, I had to sell it to him before I could buy it. So,
oh, you a little experience.
Yeah. You have to cost justify before you can spend the money.
How did back at that time? How did you get sold on it originally?
Well, I believed a salesman many years ago. When I first started in the business, a guy kept coming by and wanting to sell us cutting edge for the loader, and he kept showing us, and I believed him. And the people that I worked for just couldn't see spending the money. So one day while they were gone, I bought a cutting edge. When they came back, you know, they were moaning and complaining and fussing, and you know, for about 2 hours, I just kept hearing it. You know, you spent all this money. Da, 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 da. I said, look, if it doesn't work, take half of because it was double the price of a Caterpillar cutting edge. And I told him, if it doesn't double the life, take the other half out of my paycheck.
Right.
We never bought anything but a Kenco cutting edge.
Wow.
From then on.